Do you know the average cost of owning a car in the US hits over $12,000 a year? Yeah, 12 grand. That's not even counting the stress when your check engine light comes on. Yo, what's up, Auto IQ fam? Today, we're diving into one of the biggest questions every driver faces. How much should you really spend on a car? Whether you're buying your first ride or upgrading from your old beater, stick around, because this could save you thousands. All right, so here's the deal. Everyone talks about the sticker price, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. You've got sales tax, dealer fees, interest from financing, insurance premiums, and don't even get me started on maintenance or surprise repairs. A $20,000 car might actually cost you way more when the dust settles. And for real, most people don't think about this stuff till it's too late. So, how do you plan like a boss? Here's what you gotta budget for. Down payment. Shoot for at least 10 to 20%, especially if you're financing. Monthly payments. Keep it chill, ideally under 15% of your monthly income. Insurance. Depends on your age, car type, and zip code. Don't skip it. Fuel. If gas prices are wild in your area, that hybrid might be worth it. Maintenance, repairs. Set aside a few hundred a year, minimum. More if it's a used ride. Registration DMV fees. They sneak up on you. Budget isn't just about affording the car today, it's about keeping it running without killing your wallet. Okay, here's the golden rule a lot of pros live by. The 24-10 rule. Put 20% down, finance for no more than 4 years, and keep total car costs under 10% of your take-home pay. Stick to that, and you're way less likely to get wrecked by car debt. Experts also say if your car's costing more than your rent, you're doing it wrong. So bottom line, don't just buy what you want, buy what you can actually live with. Know the full cost, stick to a plan, and your future self will thank you. Drop a comment. What's your car budget and how'd you come up with it? And hey, if you want to get smarter about car loans, hit up this next vid on car financing tips that actually make sense. Smash that like button, sub to Auto IQ, and I'll see y'all in the next one.